I made this image, and this image using AI, and somehow AI is taking people's job away. If you want to take a photo shoot for your birthday, but you don't have money, or you just want a professional looking photo and you don't have time to go to the studio, you can use AI to generate images that look like you. Just look at the resemblance. Images that looks like you can use your AI to generate it for free from the comfort of your home. You don't need to dress up, you don't need to pay money, and studio photos are very expensive right now, so you don't need to do all of that. You can just stay at home and generate these images. I was able to get photos like this from the comfort of my home, and trust me, remember, on this channel we share ways that you can make money. You can also make money using this AI photos, or you can even save money using it, so whichever one you want. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and on this channel I share AI tutorials, business ideas, and content creation tips, making money tips in general. So if you like content like this, just do well to hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's absolutely free of charge. So let's give the video a thumbs up and let's quickly proceed. So most times people create AI looking photos that don't even look like them. Have you ever seen someone create an AI image that doesn't even look like them? Whereas the ones I actually create, no one even knows that this is actually an AI photo. So now the first thing you need to do is to take a clear photo of yourself. You want your image to show your face. Don't let your hair show. You can look for a way to cover your hair, or you can capture yourself as a passport format. You can just take passport format of yourself, just your head only, and we are going to use it to generate an image that looks exactly like us. Okay, before now I used to generate this image for people, and I used to collect 2,000 naira, 1,000 to 2,000 from them, instead of the 10,000 naira that they'll pay for photo studio or to go and shoot photos. First thing we are going to do, we are going to head over to our Pinterest right now. So let's head over to Pinterest. If you've not signed up on Pinterest, you need to sign up on Pinterest. Okay, so we are going to search for photo studio idea or photo shoot ideas. So we're just going to let it load. So I've done something like this first one, so I want to do something else. I like this, so I'm going to do something like this. So let's quickly save. To save it, you need to click on this three dots, and you're going to see where they wrote download image. You're just going to click on it and you're going to download. So let me just download more in case I decide to do something else. Okay, let me do this other one. Let me do something like this. I'm also going to save it. I like this too, so I'm going to save this too. So now that we've selected the ones we want, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. Upload this image. I'm going to use this voice signal and talk to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, give me a prompt describing this exact image, excluding the facial features. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to exclude the facial features. So let's quickly send it. GPT have given us the prompt to generate the image, and now we are going to go to an image generating AI to generate this prompt. Remember I said snap your face, just your face, make sure it's clear. So we're just going to do that right now. Now we are going to head over to Gemini. So let me quickly go to my browser. We're going to click on Google Gemini. I'm going to click on get started, and then I'm going to upload that my image. this my face. I'm going to upload it. Then I'm going to send it into Gemini. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and we are going to copy the prompt ChatGPT gave us. So you can just go through the prompt, read it so that you will not put anything that is not supposed to be there. Because I'm saying something that is not supposed to be there. I've simply copied it and I'm going to head over to Gemini. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to go to Gemini and say use this exact facial feature to generate a. So I've added this at the top. Then we are still going to go down again to write the same thing. So we are simply going to send it now and let's see what it will generate for us. So it's generating. All you have to do is to wait. So this is what we have. I don't really like this face. I don't really like the face, but I'm going to save it. So you can just try again until it gives you your exact face. Let me save this one. So I don't like this face. It doesn't look like me in my own eyes. So I'm just going to do it again. I took another photo. So I'm trying it one more time to see what it gives to me. Because I don't like the first one. Alright, this looks more like me. So I'm going to save the second one instead. Okay, so I've downloaded it. Let's do something else. Alright, I downloaded like three images. Let's try the second one. We are going to head back to ChatGPT. I'm also going to tell ChatGPT to describe this image again, excluding the facial features. Okay, so if you have anything you want to exclude, you can also go ahead to tell ChatGPT that you want to exclude that particular thing. So ChatGPT has given us the prompts and we are just going to go back to Gemini to create another image. So let's see how this one goes. Now we are going to head over to Gemini to generate another image. So let's see the image it will give to us. I'm going to save it right here. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can create a realistic looking image of yourself from the comfort of your home. So if you like today's video, you found it helpful, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It contains my prompts to generate your own studio picture. It might not be this exact one, but there are different prompts for both men and both women. Like the image we created today and you want this exact image, you can just copy my prompt or copy my images and take it to ChatGPT, generate a prompt for the image and go generate your own image, right? And I'm also going to leave a link to several prompts, different prompts that you can use. So all you have to do is to get my prompt book, copy any particular prompt you want to use and just go to Gemini straight on picture. So if you're using my prompt, you don't need to go through the stress of going to Pinterest and going to ChatGPT. You can just quickly head over to any image generating AI of your choice, copy the prompt and use it to create stunning images of yourself or your clients. If you found this video helpful, you like today's content, hope you have liked this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.